Next step, we're going to install a recessed caddy. Now the recessed caddy will actually cut a hole into the back panel using this as our template, and then the recessed caddy will fit into the hole, and then we'll silicone around to seal it in place. Now it's important to know where your studs are, and we do have a stud approximately right here and right here. So before you get to this point where you install the back panel, measure for the studs. If you know approximately where the stud is, you can cut a small hole, measure over to your stud, and place the template in the right place accordingly. You just have to know approximately where your studs are to know where to cut the hole. So we'll go ahead and cut a hole right here, measure over to our stud, get the exact location, and then mark out the template. The template marked out, and then we put blue tape around to protect the Onyx panel from the jigsaw. And we'll just start here and go to the four corners and cut it on out. Alright, so we have the cutout for the recessed caddy made, and we silicone around the edge of the recessed caddy, and we'll just rest it on in there. And once again, tape it in place. One important note is to make sure it's level. So you can go to the top or bottom, and you want to make sure that it's level. If any silicone comes out, have a bottle of rubbing alcohol and simply spray it, and then use a paper towel to wipe it off. The rubbing alcohol will help the silicone to keep from smearing. So.